not a game, it's a rich thing.
50% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. 100% volume. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. In today's video, we're going to find out between the Zealot ZE21 and the Studio 9, which one actually sounds better. Regarding sound quality, which one has it better. Regarding shape, the ZE21 is definitely bigger compared to the Studio 9. As for the Hammer Kardon Studio 9, that's the latest Onyx Studio have to offer as of today. So we're going to find out between these two speakers, which one actually has the best sound quality. I hope you have your headphone or you play from a good speaker so you know which one actually played better. And if you're curious to know which one actually played better, I hope this clarified that for you. And if you want to get one for yourself, I hope this help you make a better choice. For more information regarding their features, price and all that, you can check out the unboxing videos of both speakers in this channel. To make it easier for you, I'm going to be adding the links to those videos in the description below. And for purchase link, you want to get one for yourself, check the description as well. In this comparison, we're going to be changing from one beat to another. We're going to be playing on different volume to know which one actually sound better. And if you want to know what I think, then stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing my thoughts with you guys. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know your opinion as well in the comment section. Let me know which one you prefer and which one you think killed it. On the Zealot ZE21, you find an impressive light feature which can actually turn off if you're not a fan of the lights. It came with a strap and has a handle. The Studio is a different case entirely. It came with just a handle, a sexy handle. One advantage you also find on the Onyx Studio 9 is that the Onyx Studio 9 has an app. In the app, you can actually customize the sound of that speaker. In the app, you get the privilege to customize that speaker however way you want. But the Zealot, you don't get the app for that speaker. But there's a dedicated EQ button where you can actually switch from one EQ to another. You have the normal EQ, the bass EQ, and the treble boost EQ or the vocal boost EQ. Regarding design, both speakers are unique and I love the unique design of both speakers. If you're a fan of the beats that I'll be using in the comparison in these videos, then you want to check out those beats in this channel. I've uploaded some beats so you can also go and support. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I'm not going to waste much of your time. You know why you click this video. Let's jump right into the sound comparison.
%50 volume. Let's go. %50 volume, normal EQ. Let's go. %50 volume. Let's go. 80% volume. Let's go. Volume. Let's go. Still on normal EQ.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
100% volume. Let's go.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
100% volume. Let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, the ZE21 is louder, has more bars, it's heavier than the Studio 9. The Studio 9 seems to be more calm, more balanced, but the ZE21 is also a balanced speaker. The bass from the ZE21 is crazy, is impressive. It goes far, it reaches far compared to the Studio 9. But if size is something for you, like you love speakers that are more portable, then you definitely want to go for the Onyx Studio 9. It's more portable. The ZE21 is a boombox speaker. That's a powerhouse right there. And regarding battery life, the ZE21 is by far better compared to the Onyx Studio 9. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there.